Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Messenger app, we click on Settings. In the first page you can search about apps and you can click on Messenger. Then you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.